National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, up to 20 nautical miles, including Monmouth Beach, Sandy Hook Reef, and Sea Bright until 5:45 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 11 nautical miles northwest of Sandy Hook Reef to 27 nautical miles west of Monmouth Beach, or from 5 nautical miles north of Sandy Hook to 16 nautical miles southwest of South Amboy, moving east at 40 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near over Sea Bright and Sandy Hook Reef by 5:25 p.m. over Monmouth Beach by 5:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor until 6 p.m. At 5:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots 4 nautical miles northwest of Raritan Bay, moving east at 10 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Raritan Bay around 5:20 p.m. Lower New York Harbor, Sandy Hook Bay, Rockaway Inlet around 6 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following marine location, New York Harbor. The severe limits, therefore the warning will be allowed to expire. Local wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour.